G'day guys, Brett Stewart here from Walkinshaw Performance Formula Tech Dyno Centre. We're here on the Formula Tech Will Pass Wednesday. We're currently standing in front of our 2008 VE Clubsport, running our new combo, the Heartbeat 2300, supplied by VCM Suite in Melbourne, Mario Punzioni. And we've just run a PB so far. First run, we just run 11.3, so we'll see how it goes for the rest of the night. It's just a standard 6 litre with a Heartbeat top mount supercharger on it, also with a set of Higgins race heads, a G-Force 9-inch diff from US with 411 diff gears in it, turbo 400. So the car's run 10.0 before with another combo in it. This is a new one we're just trialling, so we'll see how we go with it for the rest of the night. Also runs a full to Filippo system, currently in a factory trim. So anything that you need, this is basically, you can drive in, drive out with this package. So hopefully for a mid-10 tonight, we'll see how we go.